Hello folks, now that Samsung is done launching its all high-end smartphones for the year, the focus has switched to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will be the company's next generation flagship smartphone. It will bring improved display, design, processor and software, but it is rumored that Samsung might drop one of its telephoto cameras. Usually reliable leakster ISOCELL claims that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will lack a 10x optical zoom telephoto lens. The insider was so happy about this news that he rushed to call it 100% confirmed. However, it is a bit hard to believe that Samsung would remove something that has given it an edge over its rivals Apple, Oppo, Vivo and Xiaomi. This rumor is hard to believe right now, and it would be better to wait for more credible information given how much ISOCELL has recently fallen in love with mindlessly hating Samsung. In confirmation of this, ISOCELL has deleted his original post in which he claimed the Galaxy S24 Ultra lacks a 10x optical zoom camera. In a subsequent post, he announced that he would come back with release the information after I figure out the details, so it's best not to believe that claim. So firstly, we draw a conclusion about ISOCELL's insights, including the bezels of the S24 Ultra, which according to him will be almost the same as those of the A54. The smartphone reportedly features a 200 megapixels ISOCELL HP2X primary camera sensor, a 12 megapixels ultrawide camera and a 50 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. However, Samsung still may disappoint you. While rivals from China offer up to 240 watt fast charging on their phones, Samsung is still stuck at 45 watts charging. It was rumored that the company may improve its charging speeds to 65 watts with the Galaxy S24, but you may be disappointed again. The Chinese variants of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra have passed the CCC certification process in China. As per the information in their certification documents, Samsung isn't increasing charging speeds with its upcoming flagship smartphones. The Galaxy S24 features 25 watt fast charging similar to the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be compatible with up to 45 watt fast charging. So it is almost certain that the Galaxy S24 series will not be able to charge faster than the Galaxy S23 series. All three models in the lineup may charge from 0 to 100% in around an hour. It has already been revealed that the Galaxy S24 has a 4000 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is powered by a 4900 mAh battery. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will use the same 5000 mAh battery as its predecessors. Depending on the country, the Galaxy S24 series will use the Exynos 2400 processor or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip. Only China and the US may get access to the Snapdragon version of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, while the other regions may get the Exynos 2400 versions of the phones. However, the Ultra model should only come with Snapdragon worldwide. Samsung is expected to use 2500 nit OLED screens on all Galaxy S24 models, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra might have a titanium body. Samsung was rumored to be working on the Galaxy Buds 3, and they were expected to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Fold 5. However, that didn't happen. A few days ago, it was revealed that the upcoming earbuds would actually be called the Galaxy Buds FE. Now, more information about these earbuds has leaked. The Galaxy Buds FE would be the company's most affordable earbuds, at least going by their MSRP pricing. Reliable leakster Roland Kwon has revealed that the Galaxy Buds FE will launch with a price tag of $100. The wireless earbuds are rumored to come in two colors, graphite and white. Regarding audio, the upcoming earbuds reportedly use 12mm AKG tuned drivers. A few days ago, the entire user manual of the Galaxy Buds FE was leaked. The document revealed that the earbuds case has a shape similar to that of the Galaxy Buds 2 and the Galaxy Buds Pro. The earbuds feature wear detection sensors, two microphones on each earbud, Bluetooth 5.3 and ANC. The case features two charging status LEDs and a USB Type-C port for charging. Whether or not the Galaxy Buds FE features dust and water resistant rating and high-resolution audio codecs remains to be seen. It is also unclear whether they have a case that supports wireless charging. Anyway guys, we will keep you updated, so subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Good luck to all.